Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about the cubital fossa and the applied aspects. First we'll see the boundaries and contents from the medial to lateral side. So for this I have a mnemonic for you. Here you can see the contents of cubital fossa. From medial to lateral you can remember what course we are studying? MBBS, right? Yes, so mnemonic is MBBS. MBBS as in median nerve, brachial artery, biceps and the superficial radial. This is the contents from medial to lateral. Okay. Apart from that we are finding in the lateral side we have the brachioradialis and here the pronator teres. Okay. And this is the base formed by the line joining the epicondyles of the humerus. Okay. Right, let's go to the floor. These are the muscles that form the brachialis and the supinator. Applied aspect. Let us see with the venipuncture of cubital veins. So generally three veins will be used: median cubital, cephalic and basilic vein. But for us in this competency, median cubital only is important. So why are we preferring this vein? Because it increases during diameter. Okay. First of all, superficial location, and there is a support from the bicipital aponeurosis. This is a very critical reason. Most important reason is this. It is supported by the bicipital aponeurosis. That is why there is stability while we are taking the blood samples or recording the BP of the patient. Okay. Only this is the reason. Bicipital aponeurosis. And let's see the basilic vein for cardiac catheterization. Here is the schematic view. We have the basilic vein, axillary vein, subclavian vein, then brachiocephalic, SVC as in superior vena cava, right atrium of the heart. This is how it will be. Okay. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.